Hey there, friends! Welcome back to Riz English Channel, your friendly place to learn English in a fun and easy way. I'm Riz.
And I'm Zoe. Hi, everyone. It's so nice to be here again.
Oh, Zoe, it's always great when you're here. You bring so much energy.
Aw, thanks, Riz. But actually, today, I'm not so full of energy.
Oh, really? Why? What happened?
I'm just tired. You know, those days when you don't want to do anything?
Oh, yes, we all have those days. And that's actually a great topic. Feeling tired, but staying strong.
Oh, that's perfect. I really need that lesson today.
Me too. So, friends, if you're listening and feeling tired, sleepy, or maybe a bit down, don't worry. You're in the right place. Today, we'll talk about how to stay strong when you feel tired. And we'll learn some useful English phrases and expressions along the way.
Ooh, I like that.
Let's start with a question for you and for our listeners. Have you ever said to someone, "I'm tired"?
Oh, yes, all the time. I'm tired. It's one of my favorite sentences.
I think it's everyone's favorite sentence. But let's make it interesting. Today we'll learn different ways to say you're tired and how to stay positive and strong.
Nice. I'm ready.
Okay, but before we start, quick reminder, friends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel. It helps us grow and helps more people learn English with us.
Yes, and you'll also feel good knowing you're helping others learn too.
Exactly. Okay, let's go. So, Zoe, when you feel tired, what do you usually say?
Hmm. Usually I just say, I'm tired.
That's good, but there are other simple ways to say it too. For example, you can say, "I'm exhausted," or "I'm worn out." Let's practice those. Repeat after me, everyone. I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
Good. And now, I'm worn out.
I'm worn out.
Perfect. Exhausted means very tired. Worn out means so tired that you have no energy left.
Oh, wow. So when I finish a long day of work, I can say, I'm worn out.
Exactly.
That sounds stronger than just I'm tired.
Yes, it gives more feeling.
Can I say, I'm so sleepy?
Yes, of course. Sleepy means you want to sleep, like when your eyes are closing.
That's me right now.
Okay, but we're going to help you wake up. Now, when you feel tired, sometimes people ask you, "Are you okay?" or "What's wrong?" You can answer in many ways. Let's try a few. You can say, "I'm just a bit tired," or "I didn't sleep well," or "I've had a long day." Repeat after me, listeners. I'm just a bit tired.
I'm just a bit tired.
Good. I didn't sleep well.
I didn't sleep well.
Excellent. And I've had a long day.
I've had a long day.
Very nice. Those are everyday phrases. Simple, clear, and natural.
Yeah, I can use them at work, at school, anywhere.
Exactly. Riz, can I ask, what do you do when you feel tired?
Hmm, good question. I usually take a short break. Maybe drink water, stretch a little, or listen to music. That helps me recharge.
Oh, I like that. I usually drink coffee.
uh Yes, coffee is a classic one.
But remember, sometimes it's not only about your body being tired. It's your mind, too.
Yes, mental tiredness.
Exactly. So when your mind feels tired, it helps to say something positive to yourself.
Like what?
Like, I can do this. Or, I just need a short rest. Or even, it's okay to feel tired.
Ooh, I like that last one. It's okay to feel tired.
Yes, sometimes we forget that it's normal.
That's true. We think we must always be strong, always working.
Exactly. But part of staying strong is knowing when to rest.
That's a good lesson for life, not just English.
True. English lessons and life lessons all in one podcast. Okay, let's learn a few expressions for staying strong. Are you ready?
Ready?
The first one is keep going.
Keep going.
Good. It means don't stop, continue. For example, if you're tired while studying English, tell yourself, keep going, just 10 more minutes.
That's what I tell myself during exercise. Keep going, Zoe.
Exactly. And you can also say, don't give up.
Don't give up.
Perfect. It means keep trying, even when things are hard.
That's a strong one. Don't give up. I like that.
Yes, very powerful. And another one is, you've got this.
Oh, I hear that a lot in movies. You've got this.
Yes, it means you can do it. Let's repeat together. You've got this.
You've got this.
Good. So, listeners, say it with us. You've got this. Excellent.
So, when I feel tired, I can say to myself, don't give up, Zoe. You've got this.
Yes, that's perfect English and great motivation.
Huh, I feel stronger already.
See? Words have power.
That's true. Even small words can change how we feel.
Exactly. That's why learning English is more than just words. It's also learning to express emotions. Now, let's practice a few short dialogues for our listeners.
Okay.
I'll be the tired person first. Zoe, I'm so tired today.
Oh no, Riz, what happened?
I didn't sleep well.
Take a short break. You'll feel better.
Thanks, Zoe. I'll keep going.
Good job.
Now let's switch roles.
Riz, I'm exhausted.
Really? Why?
I studied English for 3 hours.
Wow, that's great. Don't give up. You're doing amazing.
Oh, thank you, teacher.
Listeners, now it's your turn. Try saying those lines out loud. Practice makes you sound natural and confident.
Yes, don't be shy. Even if you're alone, practice speaking.
Exactly. Your mouth needs to learn the words, not just your mind. You know, Zoe, sometimes when I feel tired, I remember a little story.
Oh, I love stories.
It's about a man who wanted to learn English. Every night after work, he came home tired, but he studied for 10 minutes, just 10 minutes every day. After 1 year, he could speak English well.
Wow, only 10 minutes a day?
Yes, because he didn't stop. He was tired, but he kept going.
That's inspiring.
It shows that even small steps, done every day, can make big changes.
I think I'll try that. Even if I'm tired, I'll do 10 minutes a day.
That's the spirit.
I like how you say spirit. It sounds strong and positive.
Yes, spirit means your energy, your motivation. When we say, keep your spirit strong, it means don't lose hope.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, Riz, can we do a quick vocabulary recap?
Of course. Let's do a mini review for our listeners.
Okay, words we learned today are tired, exhausted, worn out, sleepy, keep going, don't give up, you've got this, spirit, and take a break.
Perfect list.
And phrases like, I've had a long day, I didn't sleep well, and it's okay to feel tired.
Yes, excellent memory.
Thanks.
Listeners, let's repeat a few of them together. Say it slowly with us. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'm worn out. Keep going. Don't give up. You've got this. Beautiful. Great job, everyone.
Riz, I feel like this episode is not only about English, but also about life.
You're right, Zoe, because learning English is part of life. Sometimes easy, sometimes hard, but always possible if you don't give up.
Yeah, I think sometimes we just need someone to say, you can do it.
Exactly. And today, that's what we want to say to our listeners. You can do it.
Yes, even if you're tired, don't stop learning.
Right. Take small steps. One new word a day. One sentence a day. That's enough.
And little by little, you'll get stronger and more confident.
Exactly.
You know what, Riz? I'm not tired anymore.
Really?
Yes, talking with you and learning these words, it gave me energy.
See? English gives power.
Yes, English power.
And if you, dear listener, are smiling right now, remember, that's the best sign. You're learning, you're growing, and you're doing great.
Yes, and don't forget to tell your friends about RizEnglishChannel.
Exactly. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to help more people learn English with us.
And comment below. Tell us, what do you do when you feel tired?
Yes, we'd love to read your answers.
Because remember, you're not alone in this journey.
That's right. We're all learning together.
Step by step.
Word by word.
And with a smile.
Always with a smile.
So thank you everyone for listening today.
Yes, thank you for spending your time with us.
You've got this. Stay strong, keep learning, and take care of yourself.
Beautiful words, Zoe.
Thank you, teacher.
This is Riz,
And Zoe.
saying bye for now. See you in the next episode of Riz.English Channel.